Hey guys, my name's Nick. Welcome back. I am a co-founder at Dial Technologies, and today I have a video for you walking you through how to set up cal.com to sync with Attio, so that way anytime you have a call booking, it will get pushed into your Attio automatically. Let's get started. All right, so shifting gears over here, we've got our Attio workspace. I'll come in here to apps and integrations. Here we can search cal.com. I've got cal.com here. We'll install this, confirm. And then what we need to do in order to connect to this is we need to come in and add an API key. This will be Attio integration, never expires. We'll save this. We can copy this key and then we'll click here on connect. We'll add this in, add connection. Now that this is set up, we should be able to click here into settings and configure these settings. We don't want any user whitelist. We don't want a whitelist there. We want to auto create people. We want to update an existing entry, and I will leave everything else as default. So now we should be able to go back and here's our list, cal.com. We'll just create an all view. Obviously we can add some information here, but first what I want to do is go and test creating a booking. All right, so here is our booking event. I'm going to go ahead and select this time here. I'm going to go ahead and use a test email here. So I'm just going to go ahead and use this first name and last name, as well as this test email here. And then just put test here, confirm, and then this should go and create that person, which should already exist here in our CRM. And then if I go to the cal.com bookings, this should show up here. I'm going to just go ahead and add some of the attendee name, attendee email, organizer name, status, event description, and then I'll put the start time, end time, event description here. All right, so this is booked. And then in Attio, we've got all of these fields in here. All right, so if we come here to the cal.com's booking list, we can see that this entry has now come in here, and I can see the person's name, information here, and like this name is going to be what they explicitly put in the record, whereas this is the person record. And so if I click on the person record here, you'll see all of the emails, activity, things like that. Here's all of the person's details on the people object. But importantly here, we've got cal.com bookings, which is the list that they live on. And I can click show all values here, and you can see here's the ID, start time, end time, the location for the meeting. Obviously I'm the organizer, and then the attendee here is also replicated. And then if they reschedule or cancel, these fields here would get populated. And then you have no-show here as well, so you can mark if they are a no-show on the list directly, and also keep some notes here. So this is a good way to keep your people object not cluttered with specific attributes like organizer name and specific events. This is the purpose kind of lists, and really a good use case for using a list versus having attributes directly on the record, in this case the people object. Quick addition here, so in my specific account I have personal events here and we have team events. These personal events work for this integration, but these specific team events here do not work. And so you have to use this personal event. So I just wanted to let you know that that is a current limitation. So I'm going to be reaching out to the developer of this integration to see if we can assist in getting this team events added to that workflow. Thanks for tuning in for the video. These types of workflows and integrations keep our operations internally running smoothly. If you have any ideas or suggestions on integrations that should be built or integrations that exist that you want us to do a video on, you can drop those in below. Until next time.